I'm back again with another hair review. To be clear, if you did watch my previous video, if you haven't, please go check it out. I want to clarify something real quick. I do not plan on ditching or completely stopping any of my old content. I just want to incorporate some new content just to give y'all some context on, you know, myself and a little bit more of the things that I really do stand for. I just want to make that clear, but I am still doing hair and makeup. Okay, let's not get that twisted. Let's go ahead and get on to the hair review. All right, so I'm doing a collaboration with this company right here. This company sent me this a beautiful short bob, but I just want y'all to check out this packaging because this is the first time I ever got a wig in like a coat bag. You know what I'm saying? Like it is like, it has a hanger. This is like a full functioning hanger, and then you can zip down the back. I've seen this before. I'm not new to this. This is the first time that I've had a wig company ship a wig to me in this, and I love it. I feel like all wig companies should do this because like this is such a more efficient way to preserve your wig, and also it saves space because like imagine being able to just put this in your closet off to the side instead of like a box that you have to put in another box, you know, because that's what I have to do with my wigs. Like I have it in a box and the box is getting in the way, so I put it in a container, a bigger box, and you know, it kind of gets kind of clumpy. So anyway, or a bag that has to be stored in the container with a whole bunch of other wigs, and I can keep tracking that thing. But if everything was stored in here, I'd be able to see it better. So they gave me a wig cap, and I'm gonna show y'all the hair too. But they gave me two wig caps. Actually, there's two wig caps in here, and if y'all can get y'all a bag for the hair to go in here, I highly recommend it. And then look, you know these hangers. Let me show you this hanger. These hangers right here, they clip. This is actually a really good, amazing hanger to clip your wig onto for when it's time to like wash it. When you're washing it and then letting it dry, you can clip your wig on here. Hold on, I can't do it on camera like that. I'm not that talented. Okay, you clip your wig up and then you can let it dry. Here is the wig straight out the box. I'm nervous, anxious, and excited for this hair because, oh Lord. I'm nervous, anxious, and a little excited for this hair because it is really short. This is the shortest wig I have ever encountered. But it's like so well constructed. I'm not that really scared because I feel like it's gonna be a little more forgiving. Here's the lace. Lace is really nice. And then it has the part already made for you. So it's kind of like a T part, but it's curved, so it gives you more of a realistic parting. Because you know, when it's just a T part, it's just one, it's just a line back. That's it. You just have like actual just straight line for your part. And then this one, it gives you like a little J. And the rest of it's like a mesh. And then they gave me a very thick, very, very thick, here, I'll take it off, very thick and well-made adjustable strap. So usually when they do the adjustable straps, it's like the bra, but this one is the hook, so you can hook it in. But it's very, very nice. And then also you have more range when it comes to the adjusting because the adjustable strap is one that pulls and not the usual one that buckles. Inside of the cap, I do want to mention it does have the adjustable straps on the back and 4 combs, 2 on the side and 1 at the top of your head. Okay, so this is the way the lace looks like. They already have the knots bleached, and as I said before, the part is permanent. Like that's the part that they gave you. Now you can turn the wig to the side, but it's not free parting. So I do have the wig slightly turned so I can have like a side part. But you know, as you can see, like it looks really, really cute.
I don't have to do a whole bunch. So I did do a different method. I did do the gluing before I cut the lace, and either way it works out just fine. Like, it honestly is not that big of a difference. But I did notice when I used the Tokyo style method, where you put your wig glue to glue down your ball cap, cut your ball cap, and then you put another layer of wig glue on top of the ball cap to lay down your wig. Now, I mean, when you do this, that wig is gonna be on there, honey. Like, that's a week, at least 3 or 4 days worth of wig wearing that you're getting out of that method, versus what I usually do with the Gossipy spray and then the Ghost Bond. So yeah, either way they work. It's just the Ghost Bond method, the only Ghost Bond method, that wig ain't going nowhere. So just fair warning. Yeah, but otherwise this wig was really easy to install. I really honestly have no complaints. And that's also, honestly, this is how the wig looks like air dried after I wash and condition it. So if you're wondering why it looks like that, that's why. And then later on you'll see it fully styled with like water and conditioner. So yeah, I like it. I really do like this wig. Oh yeah, and this is the product that I use to, slick down and define these curls. So yeah, very easy to style. I like it.
I look like a TikTok dancer. Y'all know the girls I'm talking about. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, this aesthetic. It feels very TikTok-y. What I have to say about this wig is that it's super cute. It's super cute. The lace, you do not have much you have to deal with, because like on the sides, the lace is minimal. So you don't have to do a whole bunch of cutting and all that kind of stuff. Basically, you can just kind of put it on. As you can see what I did, I did the ball cap and everything because it is a short hair. So I do want to make sure my hair underneath is not going to show at all. I honestly wish I had this wig earlier during the summer, because it would have saved me a lot of back sweat. It would have saved me a whole bunch of back sweat trying to be cute, and I'm over here hot burning up with long wigs. So yeah, I really do appreciate this wig. It is so freaking cute. This is low maintenance. Like, to be really honest, this is a pretty low maintenance wig. Like, I can't see myself doing anything else but this to this hair, which you probably could, but it's a wet and wavy. Like, this is something that you just wash and go with. This is a pop on and style and go. Like, put a little dampness in it and then keep it pushing. So I hope this video was helpful to you in your next decision on your wig purchase. Like, what do you want to get next? What kind of look do you want to explore next? So yeah, please like, subscribe, hit your notifications bell, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.